What's up, guys? It's Alex from StockTrading.com. Today, Bitcoin just tumbled to the ground. My goodness, it was exhilarating to see Bitcoin literally crash right in front of me. So right here, we've got a chart of Bitcoin. I want to go over exactly what happened today and how this translated to trades that we took in the stock market. I am ending the day green. I had to fight for it. Ended the day with $1,000 and 1,003 to be exact. So I was $3 above my daily goal, which is good. So give me a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notifications button, and let's jump into what in the world happened today and how we prepared to trade the stock market. So Bitcoin has been just been abused, honestly. Here you can see an all-time high, 64,900. And it's just been struggling up here, creating multiple tops. So I do see, this you could see kind of almost like a double top, maybe even a triple top formation over here. It's not perfect, but there's clearly some topping action. And in the last couple of days, I mean, especially since May 9th, Bitcoin has just been tumbling in. Today, the Bitcoin, I'm going to pull up a 10-minute, actually let's do a 30-minute chart. You can see here that at around 6 to 7 a.m. Bitcoin was trading at 38,000, dipped to 36, got bought back up a little bit and set a bear flag formation. But right here at 9:05, this is literally when Taj and I are doing our pre-market analysis for all of our day traders in the live trading room, and we've got Bitcoin opened up, and all of a sudden we see this huge flash crash right in our faces. So Bitcoin, this candlestick you can see here, the high is 38,000, the low 32,000. Actually, yeah, on that candlestick. But then the next candlestick was a low of 29,258. Just an incredible sell-off. And what's crazy is that, there are stocks in the stock market that directly correlate or have Bitcoin has a lot of influence on them, right? They may be Bitcoin proxies, or they're companies that have Bitcoin on their balance sheets, such as Tesla, Square, MSTR, and some other names. But Mara, Riot, and SOS were other stocks that we had on our radar to come into short when the market opened. This was all happening in pre-market prior to 9:30, so we couldn't take the trades unless you have a broker that would allow you to short in pre-market. But it was just an incredible sell-off. Now we do have a cryptocurrency channel in our Discord, and I'd love to invite you guys to join our Discord. The link to it is in the description below. But I want to share something with you. So we do post every single day about cryptocurrency trades that are occurring, and we were very active this morning, especially with the flash crash. And I want to show you this. So at around 9:11, Taj even called out 29,000 wouldn't be a bad zone to start scaling into a position on Bitcoin, right? It's obviously a falling knife, but it wouldn't be a bad place. We were telling traders 29,000, 30,000 was kind of like an area where you can buy. I personally was looking for a test of 20,000, which was the highs of 2017. We obviously didn't get there. But, starting a position at 29,000 or even 30,000, not a bad call, because look, had you done that, I mean, Bitcoin had a 10,000 point bounce. Absolutely insane. So that right there, you could be done with the day just with that trade. So I know a lot of traders that are in the cryptocurrency channel with us. They took the trade. They bought cryptocurrency Bitcoin at 30,000, and not sure if they sold or not, but one hell of an entry point to take advantage of that dip. So how does this all translate to stocks in the stock market, and how it impacted our ideas? So here you've got Tesla and Square. Tesla and Square both sold off pretty heavily in pre-market, right? You can see the breakdown of these two bear flags right here. So this was a nice bear flag zone. And Tesla sold off, so did Square. The problem that we tend to find ourselves in, especially when sell-offs occur in pre-market, the way that you see here, is that, like I tell everybody, man, the damage was done already in pre-market. I wish these stocks held until the market opened, because then I would have come in for a short position on both of them, and we could have been done with the day in the first 30 minutes. But because the sell-off occurred prior to the market open, it made our jobs as day traders much more challenging. So look at this choppiness that was in Tesla, right? Tesla, I can tell you, I've scalped Tesla, I don't know how many times today. I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades on just Tesla alone today. All small scalps, if I can speak, scalps, right? So for instance, we just scalped the long right here on the breakout to high. We scalped it again right here, scalped it again right here. And you know, like that's just 3 areas, right, where I can tell you that we scalped Tesla. Some traders even scalp Tesla short, you know, on these dips. So very, very challenging. With Square, it was the same exact thing. I shorted Square in this zone right here, ended up taking profits right here. Not much, only $1 per share with 200 shares. So really not that crazy of a winner. And then I did go long Square right here with 500 shares on a breakout of intraday high, and took my quick profits right here, and glad I did, because look at the pullback. So as you can see, today was just an extremely choppy day for us. But all of that really is under the theme of Bitcoin and its flash crash. So where do we go from here? Let me speak to Tesla first. Tesla is under a lot of trouble. I'm sure there's a lot of people out there providing their analysis on Tesla. You've got the EMA crossing below the 200 by tomorrow, so that's not good. We've broken below, and we tested actually the 543 range. Actually, let me double check that really quick. Almost did. We were just within range, right? In pre-market, 2 points above it. So, but what I see on Tesla, honestly, guys, this stock is in a lot of trouble. The upside momentum has definitely died out. I would like to see Tesla test these levels right here. 500 and then 450. Those are my targets on Tesla to the downside, especially with the market continuing to sell off on this tech rotation. With Square, let's take a look on this stock. With Square, very similar chart action you can see here with Tesla. The momentum has died, it's crossed below its 200. So we did test the 192, 191 area. So if that fails again, I would personally like to see the 180 to 170 range. That's going to be the area that I think where we can maybe get a bounce on Square. Not exactly, but I think from a short-term downside target perspective, very, very realistic. You're talking only 10 to 20 points from its current levels at the moment. So that's where I see on the downside for both of these names. The S&P 500 and the NASDAQ today have been extremely choppy. However, the NASDAQ did have a nice recovery. So let me show you the chart of the NASDAQ here. By the triple Qs, right? So here you can see the market opened up and it had a nice slow climb way back up. A lot of our traders did scalp the triple Qs for, you know, quick calls. I actually tried shorting the triple Qs right here. Let me see here if I can mark it up. I tried shorting it right here, got caught in a bounce, so the trade went against me. That trade, you know, I lost like $500–600. So you know, it was a little bit choppy, but I was able to make the money back. So at the low end of the day, I was actually down 1,000, had to recuperate the $1,000 that I lost, and ended the day making $1,003. So I ended up trading until about 1:30 p.m. Eastern today, when normally I'm typically done with the day between 11 and 12. So today was a work day. I had to really work myself to get to the green today. I was very picky, very cautious, and kept my risk management really, really tight. One stock that really helped me out today was AMD, because AMD announced a I think a $4 billion stock repurchase buyback program. Got in on that pop at around 75.60 and took profits at above 76.20. Right, so that was a nice little winner and scalp for me. So today was just full of scalps, but still with the big theme in mind of the names that are being impacted by Bitcoin. So Tesla and Square were the two main stocks we were all over today because of the Bitcoin news. So let me know what you guys think about Bitcoin, where you think this is headed. I think honestly there's still some more downside on Bitcoin, but I could be wrong. I did not expect, Bitcoin to have a 10,000 point rebound like it did, but nonetheless, it is a very wild stock. Protect yourselves. Risk management is key. That's what we tell everybody. So hopefully you're not a deer in headlights watching these positions pull back on you and you're just watching your money bleed out. Cut the losses soon, move on to the next trade. That's what we say here at Stack. So thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you all tomorrow. Comment below, ask me any questions, and have a great rest of the day.